This is a quick video on how to install an HDMI extender. I've had this one for 2 years and it's eventually failed on me. I've had a red and green blinking LED here and basically it just stopped working. I've had it inside a closet for 2 years and maybe it just overheated in there and just died. I checked the voltage on here on these two adapters and they're still working. They still have a 5-volt output, so not really too sure what the problem is. I'm guessing it's these devices. So I bought something else instead. I bought this. This is an OREI HDMI extender up to 70 meters. Features an infrared blaster and basically the same sort of thing as the other ones, except this one also has an HDMI output on the transmitter, which is kind of basically an HDMI loop. So you can have output to one monitor, you can bring in input from your, say, security camera, output to cat, put the cat over here, and then it spits out to another monitor. So you could have 2 monitors connected. So I'm gonna open this up and so you can have a take a look. So inside are the transmitter and receiver. Capture there. These are the infrared receiver and transmitter. Oh, this converts to a standard US power plug. Yeah, so I guess that's an adapter. This is a quick scan of the instruction manual. You can pause this video if you want to read any of the particular content. There's introduction, features, specifications, and package contents. And over here is just a summary of what the inputs and outputs are. And some installation instructions as well. On the backs of the devices, it does say it's certified. It's both of them, whereas the old ones didn't have any certification markings, so that probably explains why it died after a couple years of use. Here's a short video of what the video output looks like for my security screen. Right now you can see the quality is pretty good. There's no red and green flickering. The coloring is pretty consistent and the video is pretty sharp and clear. And this is just a direct connection with HDMI straight to the CCTV. I got HDMI from the CCTV. That's going to go into the HDMI input here. This is the transmitter. It's going to have the power plugged in to here. There's going to be a Cat 5e patch cable running from here into here. And then the HDMI output will go from here and into my monitor here as a quick test run. So as I'm plugging this all in, the transmitter has a green light on after I turned on and connected the power. And here is the receiver. I'm going to plug in the Cat 5 into here. Okay, the patch cable is now in and the green light is on. Haven't quite connected the HDMI in yet. Here I'm going to do it now. Okay, I counted, after punching in the HDMI cable into the output, it took about 4 seconds for this to load up. Now I'm going to do a little close-up video so you can see how the quality is. It's not bad. It looks pretty good, pretty clear. There's a little bit of like white speckling noise going on. You can see it. It's not too bad though. I've seen worse. Like I'll go to the dark areas and then here you can kind of see the white speckling that's happening. Now that might be because maybe not so much the HDMI cables, but it could be the patch cable that's low quality, and that's why it's losing some of the quality on the output on here. So I'm going to try different patch cables and see if it's any better. I also noticed that there's this, I guess, link cable, which indicates when the connection is made, and it has this flashing yellow light on the transmitter. And it also flashes yellow on the receiver. So I assume that means it's doing well. So this is the final setup. It looks like the video is doing pretty well. I don't see as much of that white flickering, if not any of that white flickering. This is with the Cat6 Ethernet cable between the transmitter and the receiver. So we'll see how this goes, and I'll let you guys know if anything changes over the next couple of years. Good luck. Thanks for watching.